didn't do anything! We gotta hurry!
Here we go again.
Footsteps, they're coming!
Bubbles like, not this again.
What happened here?
Lin running through the house real fast.
Uh-oh.
Juice box spilling, yeah, it couldn't last. Crayons on the
wasn't
wall,
me.
colors everywhere. Now mama walking, uh-oh, she's there. Oh, Bubbles
What happened
tiptoes,
here?
try and sneak away. But the mess too big, ain't no escape today.
What happened here?
Lin freeze like a statue quick.
I didn't do
Then she
anything!
hit him with the classic trick. It wasn't me. Nope, I didn't do anything.
Not me.
I don't know what happened. It just did. I didn't mean to. Promise. My hand did it by
My
itself.
hand did it by
That
itself.
don't even make sense. My hand did it by itself. Everybody freeze. Now hit that defense.
Bubbles, did you eat all the
Slide
cookies?
to the left, shrug
me.
like. Make that face.
Did you
like,
eat the
I don't
cookies?
know.
No, I didn't.
Point
Are you
at your
sure?
hand
They look
like it was
tasty.
you.
Someone's not telling the truth.
Now everybody shout
no.
it. 1,
It's okay.
2. It wasn't me. Cookies gone, crumbs on Lin cheek.
My hand
Mama like,
did it.
You been sneaking
Wow,
sweet.
cool.
Lin blink
Let's
twice with a
dance.
real surprise. Bubbles trying
you
not
eat
laugh,
the
but
cookies?
he can't hide. Toy box
No,
flip Legos on the
I
ground.
didn't.
Step on one.
Then
ouch.
what's that
Now she
on your
jump
cheek?
around. Nail. Mama say, who made this mess right here? Lin point quick
You
like
are
it
in
wasn't me
big
dropping
trouble.
a tear. I didn't do
eat them.
anything.
Are you sure?
It
Yes.
wasn't
Look,
me, not
nothing.
me. I don't
What's
know
that
what
on your
happened.
cheek?
Mystery.
Uh-huh,
I didn't
I
mean
knew
to.
it.
Real. My hand did it by itself.
Maybe you made a mess.
Let's fix it. My hand did it by itself.
My hand did it by itself.
Bounce real low, then pop back up. Hit that I didn't do it. Shrug like what? Point at your hand like you got a mind. Try and go crazy, rewind that line. It wasn't me. Lin giggle like okay. Baby, I made a mess today. It's not like we fix it fast. Clean it up, make it shine at last. Kids make mistakes, that's alright. Then we learn, we laugh, we do it right. But when we nervous, what we say, everybody know we yell it this way. It wasn't me. I didn't do anything. I don't know what happened. I didn't mean to. My hand did it by itself.
We gotta hurry! Footsteps,
Okay.
they're coming!
Maybe it was me. I knew it. Have fun with Lin's playground.
We gotta hurry! Footsteps, they're coming! Uh-oh.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more fun learning videos, and thank you for your support.